forgot I had this mug. It's stunning and it's from Dollar Tree. Hi guys, so for today's video, we've got a haul and I think at the end of it, I'm gonna share a gift basket idea. Hopefully it kind of comes together really well. But I was thinking that as many times as I do these Dollar Tree hauls for you guys, 4 times a week, and when I share the items that I find, I also like to tell you guys how I would use it, where I think they would be great. And I'm catching myself as I'm editing how often I'm saying great for gift baskets, great for care packages. And I think what I want to start doing is actually implementing more of these items into a gift basket like I'm referencing for you guys. I'm not gonna maybe make them their own individual videos. I'll just like tag them at the end of hauls. I am going to grab at absolute random today. So, and a lot of this will be for today's gift basket, and you'll kind of see how it all comes together in the end. This actually is not for the gift basket, but you're gonna see more candy. I got this because I've never seen this candy at Dollar Tree before, and I thought it was really exciting. Wanted you guys to know that it was there, especially if you're gonna do some type of like party, a birthday party with Legos, or whatever. These are gonna be super cute gummies to pick up for that. So absolutely adorable, and I also found it in this box as well. I love how they separate the colors so that you kind of know that you're getting like different, you know, candy in here. So it looks like you can definitely build these out of the gummy blocks. So pretty cool idea. Maybe even if you're doing, instead of using them as a display in your Lego party, you could use these as party favor fillers for the bags. I mean, they're only $1, super cute. And I only found these 2, but definitely keep your eye out for more styles. With the exception of the gummy blocks, now I'm gonna just show you guys a bunch of candy that you're gonna see part of the gift basket at the end. But you guys have seen me haul these before. I picked up a bag of the trolley crawlers. This is the berry. I actually wanted the ones that had like the full range of color, not just isolated to the berries, because you can see that these are all the red and the blue crawlers, but this is all I could find, and I did purposefully want the little gummy worms. And then I picked up a box of plain M&Ms. I think I have, yeah, 2 boxes of these. I also picked up the crunch candies and then some snow caps. These have been around at Dollar Tree for a really long time. I also picked up the Oreo minis. I love these. These are actually comparable to the grocery store. My grocery store also sells these for $1. So it's gonna be a really great buy. They sell a ton of other, you know, like fudge stripe cookies, all of those things at Dollar Tree, but I specifically wanted the Oreos. I also picked up these, which I think they might be kind of new. These are the Hershey's Cookies and Cream Cookie Bites. There's that. Probably not worth $1 because you don't get very many in here, but again, you'll see why I got these for the gift basket. I also picked up the original Sprees. I feel like these are kind of a hit, not a hit and miss, but they're kind of rare for me personally to see at my Dollar Tree. They're not always there, so I was really excited to find these. I like how colorful they are. Again, I picked them for their color for the gift basket at the end. I also picked up a box of the Reese's Pieces, and I also got the George and Tom's ice cream cones. So this is a spice line at Dollar Tree called Supreme Tradition. It even has the Greenbrier information on the back, and these are the sprinkles, which will be for today's gift basket as well. For those of you who follow my vlog channel, and if you didn't know, I do have a second channel. It's always linked down below, and it's always linked at the end of every video. But if you follow my vlogs, you most likely know that I love to go jogging. And one of the things that I've been finding lately is that when I'm reaching for socks, you know how it is with socks. So I decided to kind of take a look at the athletic socks at Dollar Tree, which I bought before, still have them, love them, but I needed some more of the no-shows, and these have a built-in cushion and arch support in them. And from the ones that I bought before like this, they are actually very cushiony, and I'm always shocked by how they're $1. So I got these, and then I also found them in this color. So these do have, as you can see though, you would be able to see the gray and the purple. I just got them because they're fun. So I probably wouldn't wear these because I am kind of picky about my socks and my tennis shoes, but I would wear these inside the house. And I wish you guys could honestly feel like the cushion that's in here. I found a really interesting air freshener for the car, and it's made by Mentos. I didn't even know that the candy makers made air fresheners. This is the Cool Mint, and I don't know, I just thought I would try it for my car, and you only get one in here for $1. I only found the mint, but comment down below and let me know if you've seen any other scent, because I'm definitely gonna be on the lookout if there is more. So I picked up those, and then I found some new hair barrettes. I absolutely love the hair accessories aisle at Dollar Tree. I don't actually buy my hair accessories anywhere else. I don't. If I do, it's like I'm at Walmart and it's a convenience thing and I'm like, oh, you know what I need? It's like hair ties or bobby pins usually. It's usually bobby pins, but everything I get from Dollar Tree. My scrunchies, my headbands, and these barrettes are so cute, which are very, very trendy right now. One of my favorite, not one, my most favorite thing to buy at Dollar Tree for my niece are these little blind bag toys. I buy them all the time, and what I have found is that $1 is a steal for these, because when I usually see them at places like Walmart or Target, they're around $2 to $3 actually, if not more, for one single bag. Maybe not all of them, maybe some of them are $1, but anyways, this is a whole new set. It's really cute because it looks kind of like a little mini purse. And this is Love Diana. I've never heard of Love Diana. She's definitely giving me Polly Pocket vibes. So, yeah, and these are all of the ones that I guess you can collect. You can see this is series 1, so that's going to be important for like the collectors out there. And I got a ton of these for her to open, but I do want to open one on camera. I realized also that as many times as I haul these, I stopped opening them on camera. So we're gonna go ahead and do one today, and I'm feeling this one. So let's see. You can see if there's a little tear. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. She looks like she's seen something she shouldn't have. Right? What did you witness? So this bag, and I don't know if it's just this bag, I feel like it's not just this bag, I feel like this is how they did it, but I'm kind of disappointed because they don't give you the little sheet, which should be included in these mystery blind bags in a series where you're supposed to collect them, because what you can do with the sheet is obviously see who you're supposed to collect, and then you can check off who you've collected. So there's nothing like that in here, and she doesn't look like any of the girls on the back. She doesn't have a name, so I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue, but other than that, just the size really impressed me. Kind of concerned about what she's witnessed, but otherwise her little space buns are also really adorable. Lately, I've been seeing these power stick items at Dollar Tree. I recently just hauled some body washes for you guys, the for her and for him. And what I really like is the for him side because Father's Day is coming up. So I think these would be some really great items if you want to pick them up and create like a gift basket for dad. But let me just show you what else I found. I also got for him and for her as well, just so you guys can see. But this is an all-day fresh body spray. You can see that this blue one is for him in intensity, and then for her, we've got the Cool Blast. Yeah, pretty cool. I really like how they look. I think they're really chic. They're gonna look great in the gift basket. And then I also found the shave cream, which look at this packaging. Like, can we just talk about how gorgeous that is? And this is a For Her Shea Butter Body Lotion. I cannot talk today, but so pretty and summertimey. Is that right? I don't even know. And then here's another shave cream, which I just immediately was like, I gotta try this because of coconut. Coconut's like one of my favorite scents to use in the shower, along with like vanilla as well. So these are just so stunning. Care package, gift basket. I am gonna get around to like showing you guys more gift baskets. Obviously this thought really just kind of dawned on me. I was like, okay, I sometimes do gift baskets, but I really need to like showcase them at least a couple times a month. So that's the plan. And then the last one is a body wash. And just to show you guys the difference in size of the body wash to the lotion, which I think that's great. You know, I think the body wash should be a little bit bigger. And this is peppermint oil and aloe vera. Every single one of these smells amazing. And that's a big deal for me. I talked about it in the last haul for Wednesday about sometimes things can smell cheap at Dollar Tree. Most of the time, I actually think that they don't, but there are times where things do smell. I don't know what it is. It's like, I can't describe the smell. It just smells cheap, but these are amazing. I don't even know, this is not a Dollar Tree brand. So I would say that I would put these on your list. You're gonna see this next item in today's gift basket, and they are the plastic condiment cups with lids. You get 10 in here. That's pretty amazing. I think that's a really great quantity amount for $1. I don't know, maybe it's better bought at like Walmart or Costco or something like that, I imagine. But if you're not doing something in mass quantity, I think 10 for $1 in theory is good, especially for the gift basket you're gonna see today. So if you're gonna wanna replicate what I show you, these are gonna be just fine to pick up. And I also picked up an ice cream scoop. You're probably kind of getting a general idea of what we're doing today. I really wanted to find something that didn't look so harsh. Not harsh, but I was kind of looking for something like colorful, like a plastic, more of a plastic style ice cream scoop, but this was all that I found at Dollar Tree. So there's that. And then these couldn't have been more perfect for what I'm doing today. And these are the party cups. And they are designed like an ice cream cone. So you can see you got the purple ice cream, the strawberry ice cream, and then the blue ice cream. And you get, how many in here? 6 party cups. And they're actually really beautiful. Love those. Oh, here's another little random item. Sassy and Chic put out these new mini tweezers in a set of 3. This is brand new. They've never done tweezers like in this concept before. They usually have only sold 1 for $1, but you get 3, and pointed tip, slanted tip, and flat edge. And they tell you right here like what each would be best for. So like ingrown hairs, brow hairs, and thicker hairs. So yeah, there you go. And then I found this little set. I would say that this is coming across more pinky on camera, but it's actually more peach, like a salmon color. And I've been really loving this color at Dollar Tree lately. So I found this basket. I also found it in gray. I'll throw up some pictures for you guys. And then I found the matching water bottle, and it's really pretty. It does say BPA free here. You get the little grip that matches. It's a really pretty water bottle, I will say that. So, and this basket right here is really interesting. The depth of it, it's kind of hard to find baskets like this at Dollar Tree. All right, so that's it for the haul portion. Let me go ahead and show you guys how I would put this together.
All right, so let's get into building this ice cream sundae gift basket. I'm showing you guys an overshot of all of the items I've collected to kind of put this together. The first thing that I want to start to do is figure out how I want my basket to look in terms of just like the bottom part. So I had tissue paper as an option, and then like this basket filler. I actually wanted to go with the basket filler instead, but I didn't have the color that I wanted, so I just wanted to show you guys and just like pop this item into the video so you can kind of get a general idea. So in the end, I obviously went with tissue paper. It was gorgeous and it matched the basket 1-to-1, so it was really pretty. And I also liked the pop of glitter, so I just kind of gave it that sprinkles look for an ice cream cone. So we did that instead, and now I'm gonna unbox these little plastic containers, and this is where we're gonna put all of that candy that you saw me haul. So essentially this is gonna be your toppings, right? So whatever toppings that you wanna include for your gift basket, you'll do that here. However it is, you know, that you think somebody would build their ice cream sundae. And the one thing I will say I was kind of missing from the toppings was probably like nuts of some sort, and also just caramel or hot chocolate. Dollar Tree actually has sold those before in like the little jar containers, and even like cherries you could do as well. I wanted this basket to be beginning to end all Dollar Tree things. So when I went shopping for this, I did not find any caramel or the hot chocolate, but I know that it's out there. So definitely check yours, and you could definitely incorporate those items into the basket as well. So, but for this video, I'm just showing you guys all of the toppings that I'm putting into this container. And actually the way that this turned out, not all of the toppings fit. Obviously you can double stack them, and you'll see what I mean towards the end. But yeah, so anyways, we're getting all of the little toppings in here. It looks super cute. The sprinkles was my favorite. It just really made it extra ice cream sundae like. So, and the colors are beautiful. And that's something I would also say is, if you are going to give this as a gift basket to somebody, the colors will make it really special. Obviously you can see here that I'm using my hands to put the gummy worms in. I'm actually keeping this for myself. I'm not actually going to gift this away, this particular one, so I was fine using my hands. But if you do have to use your hands, I don't know, maybe use gloves, or like obviously do whatever you want. So once I got the toppings all sorted out, now it was time for me to build my basket. So you see here, these are the cups that you could essentially use to put your ice cream, right? So the one thing, this is the biggest thing missing from this, is ice cream. So you could essentially make a little note that says just add ice cream to it, and then, you know, the person receiving the gift has all of the other items to put it together. They've got little ice cream cones. They could do an ice cream cone version or the cup version. And then you can see here that I'm just putting in all of the little toppings. So you can see that I only did 6, and I actually had extra toppings. And this was the part where I said you could just put them and lay them on top, or get yourself like a bigger basket, maybe even like a deeper basket, maybe something wicker of that sort. And yeah, and then also I added the ice cream scoop. This is where to make the basket or gift aesthetically pleasing, I would add a different ice cream scoop to match. And then you saw that I actually switched out the cups. It was blue at the bottom, and then I switched it out with the pink, again, just to give it that aesthetic look and make the pink cups match the basket and the tissue paper. But sorry I talk so fast. But anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys love this basket idea. I'm definitely going to be incorporating more, and so definitely stick around, and I'll see you guys next time.